Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to review another 128 scale RC drift car. Actually this is the most affordable hobby grade RC drift car you can buy. So let's see what we get in the box. It's so simple actually. The remote controller, we have the steering DR, steering trim button, the throttle DR, and what is special about this car? This car comes with an onboard gyro system and it has 3 speed levels. Even the more expensive RC drift cars doesn't come with this option included. And also, although we have the steering trim, the steering DR trim here, we also have the option on the steering. So if we keep this part upside down, we get a limited steering, and if we change it and put it to upside, you have more steering. I don't know why they did this, because we already have the steering DR trim, but it's always better to get more options. And the car itself, the body is Mitsubishi EVO 7, and we only get the remote controller and the car in the box, so there is no charger, because you don't need a charger to use this car. To remove the body, there are 2 pins here and you need to apply some force to get it out. Yes, this part gets into this hole, and when you press these 2 pins, the body sits in the place. Okay, that's why we don't have a charger, because you can use this car with 4 AAA batteries. I have a LiPo battery, so if you have a LiPo battery, you can also use this one here. See, and you don't need to make any modification. This is the battery of WL Toys K969 drift car, and you can just directly put it inside. We have a 5-wire servo here, and the electronics are under this cover, included the gyro. Shocks are so simple, 4-wheel drive, and every piece of the chassis is plastic except the main shaft for the 4-wheel drive system. Okay, let's put the battery in again and turn it on. First, remote controller and the car. It's under the car, the on-off button. Yes, it is open. So let me show you the gyro system. For the first level, one press, do you hear the gyro is acting? And the second level and third level. And actually the car is quite fast. And the servo is fast enough. The response is quite well for its price range. So as I told you, this is the cheapest hobby grade RC drift car you can buy, ready to run. Okay, it's all about the car. Just let me tell you some more thing about the body shell. The body shell is made out hard plastic and not too much detail, but you have the light buckets here, so if you would like to install the light buckets in the front, but at the back you don't have light buckets, so you need to drill them and put some lights if you would like to put it. But you can just crash this car while drifting without worrying, because it's really hard and durable. Okay, let's see how this car performs.
Bye.